but I'm blessed.
Hey y'all, happy New Year's. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a get it all done with me. In this video I will be doing some laundry. I will be cooking, showing you guys a recipe that I saw on TikTok, and cleaning up my home. So let's get straight into it. First, I'm going to start off by unloading this dishwasher, and my camera somehow cut off, so I could not finish showing you guys that, but I'm going to load the dishes that is already in the sink. I'm getting ready to cook a meal that I saw on TikTok, and it's my first time making it, and it came out really good. So before I do that, I like to clean my kitchen because I do not like to operate in a dirty kitchen and a filthy sink.
Everything is see-through. Everything is see-through. Everything is see-through. How can I believe it? But everything is see-through. You see-through. Gotta make space for the new you, like I'm old news in your review mirror. It must be nice you went and got a penthouse. All your friends partying is real loud. Brand new money with a brand new chest. Still a baby bird price straight off the nest like you.
So let's get into this video scripture, and it comes from John 14 verse 27. Peace I leave with you, my peace I give to you. Not as the world gives, do I give to you. Let not your hearts be troubled, neither let them be afraid.
How can I believe you when everything is see-through? Everything is see-through. Everything is see-through. Everything is see-through. How can I believe it when everything is see-through? Go home. You said things could only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't. Home. You said things could only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't. How can I believe you when everything is see-through?
How can I
Everything is see-through. Everything is see-through. Everything is
So before I get ready to cook my meal, I'm going to start this load of laundry. That way, once I'm done cooking and eating, it'll be almost time for me to finish this laundry. So I'm going to start a load of laundry.
You ain't gotta be so see-through. You ain't gotta be see-through.
This meal that I'm getting ready to cook is called tortellini soup, and I saw this on TikTok. And I'm going to start off by adding some oil, and I'm going to add 1 pound of Italian sausage. It has skin on these, so make sure that you remove the skin if you try this recipe. Then I'm going to chop up this Italian sausage to make sure that it's in smaller pieces because I do not want large chunks. I mean, unless you like large chunks, I mean, you can do it like that, but I do not like large chunks. So I'm going to smash this Italian sausage, and I'm smashing it so hard, y'all. Like, I don't know what was wrong with me that day. Maybe I was ready to eat, or I was just taking my anger out on this. But I'm adding an onion to this Italian sausage because that's what the recipe calls, and I'm going to smash it up some more. And look at it, y'all. That don't make no sense. The way that I'm smashing this meat. I'm going to add some onion powder, some garlic powder. I'm going to add some Cajun seasoning. I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. This is the Kinder's no salt Italian seasoning. Well, it's garlic and herb seasoning, but the recipe calls for Italian seasoning, which is kind of like the same. I'm going to stir that up. Then I'm going to add a little bit of minced garlic once my meat is almost cooked because you do not want to burn the minced garlic. I'm going to add a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of flour. Stir that up.
Imagination is running wild.
And I'm going to add 4, I think it said 3 or 4 cups of chicken broth, and you pour the chicken broth in and stir it as you go.
Just wait. Let me drive you crazy.
Then I'm going to add a small can of tomato sauce. Stir that up and let that simmer for a little bit.
Let's get stupid lazy.
Once that meat simmered for about 5 minutes, I went in and added my frozen tortellini, and that's what the recipe calls. It calls for refrigerated tortellini, and it comes with, I think, cheese in the inside. I'm going to stir that up. I'm going to let that cook and simmer. Once that's done simmering and the tortellini is warmed up and cooked, I'm going to add some heavy cream, just a little bit of heavy cream that the recipe calls for, inside of the soup, and stir that around and let that simmer again for a few more minutes. Then I went back and put a little bit more of seasoning inside the soup so that the juice mixture can have seasoning, because before I just seasoned the meat, but I wanted to get the juice mixture with some seasoning as well, and stirring that up, letting that simmer again for a few more minutes, and it is time to eat. And this is my tortellini soup. Now the recipe do call for spinach or kale, so you can add that or you cannot. It's optional. I did not add it because my husband do not eat that. So yeah, moving on, this is my Christmas decor that I piled up in my catch-all room. I did do a takedown my last video, so I'm going to put that away in its rightful boxes so that I can put it in the attic.
I'ma make you mine tonight. Pulling your hair, baby. I feel you breathing on me, on you. You know that I'm a selfish lover. When it's mine, I want it. One track mind for it, for you.
And I also forgot to take down my Christmas decor in our bathroom. So this is a shower curtain that I just hung on top of my regular shower curtain to make it easier for takedown, and I'm taking that down. I'm gonna fold that up, put that up in the case, and I'm also going to take down the decorative towels. And I'm going to miss this decor, y'all. It's something about this decor in my bathroom that just made me so happy for Christmas. But Christmas is over, so it is what it is. So now I'm going to finish this laundry that I had put in the washer earlier. I did put it in the dryer. I did not show you guys that, but it's time to be folded. And usually, you know, I take a while to fold my clothes, a day or two. Sometimes I just leave it in there and just take clothes out of it. But I wanted to make sure that I folded this laundry because I just wanted to get it done, y'all. Like, if I don't get it done, as soon as it come out the dryer, it's going to be like days before I get this laundry finished, and I do not want to do that. So I had to tackle this. It was not a lot of clothes. This is my kids' clothes, and I wanted to get that done. And yeah, y'all, and I'm folding laundry and I'm watching a TV show on Amazon Prime called Animal Kingdom. If you've watched Animal Kingdom, comment down below and let me know. This show got me so addicted, y'all. Like, it is so good. It's just like entertaining. It's a lot of action going on. It's crazy. Like, it's just crazy. If you have not watched Animal Kingdom on Amazon Prime, make sure you do that.
Tell me about your dreams. Tell me everything. Yeah. Do it. I'll 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 do it. Tell me what you need, baby. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, babe. Tell me about your dreams. Tell me everything. Yeah. Do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
This sums up my get it all done with me video, y'all. I'm putting these clothes up. I hate doing this. This is the least favorite part of the clothes, but I gotta do what I gotta do. If you enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, Join my YouTube family, and I will see you guys in the next video. And again, Happy New Year's.